I'm Lieutenant Rebsch with Meadows Place Police Department. We've had the laser shot system for a few years now, and it's been a great asset for our department. One of the things I decided to do was to implement some type of stress into the situation, either through exercise, some type of way to get the heart rate elevated and get the officer exhausted. So we may do stuff like having the officer do burpees or push-ups, then engage with the laser shot system, or add grappling, add some type of defensive tactics situation where they have to grapple and work really hard. We want to drive that officer to exhaustion, so when he stands up and engages with the laser shot system, he's under stress, his heart rate is racing. It's much more realistic. If you're responding to an active shooter scenario, you're not just going to stand there and respond to it. Your heart rate's going to be through the roof. You're going to be dealing with all kinds of adrenaline spikes. You need to induce that on the officer before you even put him into the scenario to make it as realistic as possible. I'm Lieutenant Jason Rebsch with the Meadows Place Police Department, and we train with laser shot.